Let's drop the upper side of the nose. So this is our lining. This is the lace I'll be using for the middle. This is the lace I'll be using and the wrapper for the upper side for the half length. This is our pattern, the pattern we are working with. Our neck width is 3 inches. Our neck width is 3 inches. Since it is a built-up neckline, we are coming up by, let's say I don't want it too high. I'm coming up by 1.5. I want it too high. I'm coming up by 1.5 inches here. I have it 1.5 here. I don't want it too high. I have 1.5 here. So what we'll be doing next, we'll be going in by 1/2 inch. From that 1.5, we're going in by 1 inch. The shoulder area also will come by 1/2. We'll get these 2 lines together. The 2 lines from that 1/2 inch mark. For our neck depth, we are working with 8 inches. Or 8 will be too long. We are working with, let's work with 7. We are working with 7 inches here. We want to work with 7 inches for our neck depth, 7 inches. So we'll connect it back to this. So this is it for our neck, our built-up neckline. We'll also do the same thing at the back. We'll also do the same thing at the back. We are coming up by 1.5 inches. 1.5. This is for the back. The same thing we did at the front. We'll come in by 1/2 inch here. I also go out by 1/2 inch this way and connect the lines. And connect it this way down to the shoulder. Connect it back to the shoulder. So, but at the center here, we are coming down by 1/2 inch as well. We are coming down by 1/2 inch and we'll now blend it back. You blend it back this way. I came down by 1/2 inch here and we connect the lines. So this is for our back neckline and this is for the front. So let's cut out this pattern and transfer it to our fabric. This is actually a bracelet that's bustier. We are making use of the bracelet that bustier pattern. So we'll be cutting out this area. We'll be needing these places. So this is for the back. This is the back. Here is the center front. Here is the side. So let's cut it on our fabric. I came down by 2 inches because of the basque effect. You can come down as much as 3 to 5 inches. So we are going to connect it this way. Connect it back to the waistline. So I forgot that I need to come down by 2 inches before cutting out this pattern. This is the pattern I cut earlier. With the help of my gum, I placed it on a new pattern paper. You can see it. This is the pattern I cut earlier. So I'll gum it to a new pattern paper because of this basque effect. So for us to be able to achieve it, I came down by 2 inches and I'll go ahead to cut out this pattern again. So this is it. This is the center front, this is the side seam. Working with pattern will help you not to waste. Also go ahead to add half an inch all around. Adding half an inch. Just add half an inch. This half an inch is for sewing allowance. We'll be adding 2 inches sewing allowance by the side. You can add 1 inch. So we're adding 2 inches for our sewing allowance. Add half an inch sewing allowance all through. So this is the back. I'll pin it to the fabric. I will mark the 2 inches for zipper allowance. 2 inches for zipper allowance. I will cut with half an inch. We added 2 inches sewing allowance by the adding half an inch sewing allowance all through.